water is truly an inspiration for me. I am so naturally drawn to it, as many of you probably are as well. That when I see water, when I hear water, I'm ready to just move towards it because it's so fluid, it's so freeing, and it encompasses everything that I really need to remind myself and reconnect with when it comes to flow. When I think about flow, this is the image that comes to mind. This abundance, this surging, this excitement, this inner drive and motivation, which is wonderful and beautiful when I'm in that state. And I'm just propelling forward towards whatever feeds my spirit, whatever inspires me. And of course, that's a great feeling. And oftentimes, sometimes I can get attached to the expectation that flow always has to be like this, that there's always going to be that high or that motivation or that drive, and honestly I don't always feel that way. And going up and down this creek at Sweetwater and seeing the various states and forms and phases that the water takes and its ability to not be attached to one outcome. So it reminds me to just approach my life the same way, being open to the many pathways that it could take. Beautiful quality about water is, as it relates to flow, is its ability to meander, to bend, to twist, to turn. Even though there's these natural barriers in the way that come and go, it finds a way through. It naturally carves pathways. It creates new possibilities, and it doesn't get stuck. It doesn't just stop. It keeps flowing. And so for me, I can relate to that because even in states of flow, there are obstacles, there's challenges. And instead of seeing them as barriers and getting stuck by them or stopping, you can see them as just opportunities to grow, stepping stones, if you will, and a chance to learn. So here, there's a sense of calm and stillness to the water, and it's just a wonderful time for me to reconnect and rejuvenate and replenish my flow and my energy by just immersing myself and fully engaging my senses with this experience, listening to the water flow, the soothing, calming sounds, and it's visually stunning, and it just instantly puts me at ease, and I start to feel and take on the qualities of the water in my body and reconnect with that part of myself, that flow again, that spark of joy within myself. And what I've learned along the way is that even within stillness, there's movement of energy. There's still this propelling forward.